Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Daily Blend episode 327. I'm Oliver and I'm here with Maya. You know, I was walking past a local cafe this morning and noticed the summer heat is really starting to settle in. It's that time of year when everyone's planning their fireworks festivals and trips to the beach. How are you handling this July humidity?
おはよう、オリバー。本当に暑いね。でも海開きも始まって、夏休み気分が高まってきたよ。今日は面白いニュースを準備してくれたんだよね。
I certainly did. Let's start with something refreshing. Starbucks Japan is launching clear coffee beverages. They found that 46% of university students had never tried black coffee because they're worried about the bitterness. So they created these lighter drinks to be more approachable for younger people.
へえ、approachable って誰にでも親しみやすいとか、試しやすいっていう意味かな。
Exactly. It's something that's easy to get into or understand. For these students, the new coffee is less intimidating than a strong, bitter cup. It's designed to cater to their tastes.
なるほど。cater to はニーズに応えるとか向けに作られているっていうことだよね。最近の若者は苦いコーヒーよりフルーツの風味がするような爽やかなものが好きなのかな。
That's the key. They're focusing on a fruit-forward profile. It basically means the primary taste you get is fruit, rather than the heavy roasted bean flavor. And importantly, there's no lingering aftertaste.
lingering aftertaste って飲んだ後に口の中にずっと残る味のことだよね。確かにあの後味が苦手っていう人は多いかも。
Precisely. They want a clean experience. It's quite a clever shift in their business strategy, wouldn't you agree?
面白い戦略だね。夏にぴったりの飲み物になりそう。
Transitioning from drinks to technology, let's talk about TerraDrone. They've announced they'll start mass-producing drone batteries right here in Japan. It's a big move to reduce reliance on overseas suppliers.
mass produce は大量生産だよね。日本国内でバッテリーを作ることで海外への依存度を減らす。つまり reduce reliance on なんだね。
Correct. It's about securing their supply chain. Think of a supply chain as the whole system, from getting the raw materials to delivering the final product to the customer. If you rely too much on one country, it can be risky.
なるほど。ドローン業界にとってバッテリーは本当に重要だもんね。まさに critical component だね。
Spot on. A critical component is an essential part that makes the whole thing work. Without it, the drone just won't fly. It's a vital move for Japan's industrial growth.
なるほどね。ドローンも44万人以上が登録しているみたいだし、国内生産はすごく重要になってくるね。
Before we wrap up, let's quickly review today's expressions. First, approachable.
はい。これは親しみやすい、試しやすいという意味だね。
Next, cater to.
主次第にニーズに応えるとか、向けに用意されているという時に使うね。
Third, fruit forward.
これはコーヒーやワインでよく使われるフルーツの風味が前面に出ているという意味だね。
Fourth, lingering aftertaste.
飲んだ後に口に残る味のことだね。
Fifth, mass produce.
大量生産することだね。
And finally, critical component.
必要不可欠な部品という意味だね。
Perfect. I hope our listeners can try using these in their daily conversations. Thanks for joining us today, Maya.
こちらこそ楽しかった。みんなもぜひ使ってみてね。またね。